Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Actions Secrets Dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GitHub website by typing www.github.com in the address bar. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your GitHub username or email address in the first field. Type your password in the corresponding field. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, locate your repositories on your GitHub dashboard. Select the repository for which you want to access GitHub Actions secrets. On the repository page, find and click on the Settings tab, usually located on the right side. Scroll down the left sidebar until you see the Secrets and Variables section. Under this section, click on Actions. You will now see the Actions Secrets dashboard for your repository. From this dashboard, you can view existing secrets or add new ones. To add a new secret, click on the New Repository Secret button. Enter a name for your secret in the Name field. Fill in the value for your secret in the Value field. Click on the Add Secret button to save your new secret. Your secret is now stored securely and is available for use in GitHub Actions workflows. To edit or delete an existing secret, click on the three-dot menu next to the secret you want to modify. Follow the prompts to make any necessary changes or to remove the secret completely. You have successfully logged into the GitHub Actions Secrets dashboard and managed your secrets. Now you can use these secrets safely in your CI/CD workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.